Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are just going to learn about some specific letters that are really sometimes difficult to pronounce. And so, inshallah, I will try my best to make it easy for you. So, let's see what is those alphabets. Actually, we call them Lissavia letters or Lissavia alphabets. There are 29 total Arabic alphabets. But Lisavia letters are some specific letters, and these are those letters that are pronounced by using your tongue and your teeth. Why we basically call them Lisavia letters? Actually, the term here is being used Lisavia. So this term is being derived from lisan. The second name of lisan is tongue, or tongue is also known as lisan. So basically, these are those alphabets that you are pronouncing by using your tongue and your teeth. So that's why we call them Lisavia letters. So as the picture shows here, you can see here, this is like your upper teeth and this is your tongue. So these are the alphabets, we call them Lisavia letters. Now, if I tell you that how many total letters that we pronounce in this way, there are three alphabets that we pronounce from our tongue and our teeth. If I write the names of the three alphabets, these three alphabets are first alphabet is this one, and if I write the second alphabet, that is this one, and third alphabet is this one. So now inshallah we will discuss that how do we pronounce them. So how many total Lisavia letters are? These are three. This one, then you have this alphabet, and then you have this alphabet. So let's start how to actually pronounce them. So here you have the first alphabet, this alphabet. So how basically it looks like, I just write in the previous slide. Here you can see this is the alphabet. So how to pronounce it? This is in front of you. Actually, you can see here, this is a point of pronunciation. Like this blue color shows the tip of tongue, and this is like your upper teeth. So you can see how actually you are doing to pronounce this alphabet. You will touch your tip of tongue with your upper teeth, and this should be completely like this one. So now you have to do what? Firstly, just put your tongue under your upper teeth and then make a sound. A sound. So when you do this, like you're putting your tip of tongue under your upper teeth and you're making a sound, there will be no whistle sound. So this is the main thing about this alphabet. There will be no whistle sound. So now you will pronounce it in this way. You will say it sa, sa, sa. So if you just make pure S sound, that gives the sound sa, sa. That's a whistle sound. So to avoid whistle sound, we just do this thing and we put our tip of tongue under the upper teeth and we say it sa, sa. So this was the first alphabet we just did here. Let's do the next one. Second alphabet is this one. Let's see how it looks like. This letter is basically the pair of letter dal. This letter comes after letter dal, and this one has a dot and dal has no dot. So this one has a dot on it. This letter, let's see how to pronounce this one. Again, this letter has same point of pronunciation. So you can see here, you're again putting your tip of tongue under your upper teeth. And now you will make which sound? Now you will make Z sound. And you will make this Z sound by putting your tongue under your upper teeth and you will say it. Zal. This will be Zal. Zaal. So this is the way to pronounce this alphabet. So here we avoid pure Z sound because when we pronounce Z alphabet, there is little bit whistle sound. So again, in this letter, we avoid whistle sound and we try to say this Z sound by putting our tongue under upper teeth and then we say Zal, Zal. Let's see the next alphabet. So this is the next alphabet. Let's see how it looks like. This is the like alphabet in front of you. This alphabet is the pair of thaw letter. Thaw. So this letter comes after thaw alphabet and this is a heavy letter as well. Like this is not only Lisavia letter, this is also heavy letter. Also we call it bold letter and also we use the term, we call it Mustalia letter. So these are the three similar terms, heavy letter, bold letter, Mustalia letter. So why we actually call it a bold letter? Because are pronouncing it in a thick tone. We can't make a thin tone for this alphabet. So let's see the point of pronunciation of this alphabet. Again, you're doing the same thing. You will do what? You are putting your tip of tongue under your upper teeth. But here the difference you can notice, you're making a bold sound. And how are you making a bold sound? You can see here, this thing shows the bold sound. You're uh, making bold sound. How? Because your mouth is full of this sound, full of this alphabetic sound, this alphabet. So let's see. Now you have to do what? You will again make this sound, like you're making Z sound. This is in front of you. But this time you have to make a bold sound. So this letter is now law, law. This letter is law. So this is the like way of pronunciation of these three alphabets. So we had three alphabets from this point of pronunciation. If I write here, you had the first one was you have to make S sound, this alphabet, and the other one is this one. So here you are making S sound and you pronounce it like you're saying it sa. Here you're pronouncing Z sound, but in this way, wo. And here you're making the sound again Z sound, but this Z sound will be by putting the tongue under your upper teeth and you say the letter Zal, Zal. Hopefully, this is clear to you.